All right, this is the inside of the microwave right here. So as you guys see, we had to pop it open, and this is what it looks like inside of the microwave. And got some wires right here, circuit board for the touchpad is back there. And let me see the wires, and this is going to the electrical unit right back here. And let me see, it says 120 volts, 60 hertz, and this is RTRN A767WRZZ. See these two leads right here, two reds and one white wire. Look at that coil on here. And in the back, let me see, okay, it's upside down, it's a sharp. Anyway, all right, just some technical stuff for you.